A prism shape in math is a type of polyhedron, a 3D shape with two parallel, straight-edged, identical bases at opposite ends, and they're joined together by flat faces, which most of the time will be rectangle shaped. Here we have a triangular prism. We have two triangle-shaped bases at each end, joined together by three flat rectangle faces. We also have a rectangular prism, with two rectangles each end, and again joined together by flat faces between them. For another example, we can have a pentagonal prism. The lower base and the top base are pentagons, joined together by 5 rectangle faces. Now the two shapes on the right side here are not prisms. Firstly, a cylinder has a curved surface, therefore is not even a polyhedron, so cannot be a prism, despite having two parallel bases identical in size at opposite ends. And with a square-based pyramid, at no point is there two parallel bases across from each other identical in size, so therefore this is a polyhedron but is not a prism. When it comes to identifying particular types of prisms, the following information is important to know. We can have a regular prism or an irregular prism. A regular prism is when the two parallel bases are regular shapes, such as here where the two bases are equilateral triangles for each side the same length. And an irregular prism is when the two parallel identical bases are not regular shapes, such as this prism where we have triangles at each end where the sides are not the same length. And with prism shapes we can also have a right prism or an oblique prism. A right prism, which you'll probably see more often, is when the two identical parallel bases are directly in line with each other. But we can also have an oblique prism where we have the two parallel identical bases but they're not directly aligned. They're at an angle, and that's okay, it's still a prism as these two bases are joined by flat faces between them.